Hi there and welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to get started with a new project in the Generative AI Lab, step by step. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Models Hub page. In the search bar, type NER pathogen, which is a clinical named entity recognition model. Once it appears, click to download it. Next, let's create a new project. Click on the New button at the top right of your screen. You'll now be prompted to enter some details about your project, like the name and description. Fill those in and then move on to the instructions section. This is where you provide guidance for annotators. Write clear instructions that they'll see during annotation, things like what entities to look for or how to label them. Now click on Next and you'll be taken to the Teams page. Here, you can assign users who will be working on this project. Go ahead and add Andy as the annotator and Robert as the reviewer. Once that's done, click Next. Here you'll choose the content type. By default, it's set to Named Entity Recognition, which is exactly what we want for this example. So let's keep it as is. Next, go to the RUSE resource page. Here, select the model we just downloaded from the Models Hub. That's NER_pathogen. If you see a model called NERONTO 100 already selected, go ahead and uncheck it. Then click Save Configuration. On the next screen, just click Next, then click Save Config. When the pop-up appears asking you to deploy the selected model, click Deploy and Save Config. Perfect, your model is now active in the project. Now let's add a task. Go to the task page and click the Import button at the top right. You can either drag and drop a text file with your data, or just click Add a Sample Task if you want to try it out quickly. Once your task is added, click the Pre-Annotate button at the top right. You'll see a pop-up with the deployed model listed. Click Pre-Annotate again. This will run the model over your text and generate predicted annotations. When the processing is complete, you'll see a green circle next to the task. That means predictions are available. Click on the task to open it and check the model's predictions. Everything look good? Great. Now let's assign it for review. Assign the task to Andy as the annotator, and also assign it to Robert as the reviewer. For Andy, as the annotator, they'll open the task, review the model's predictions, make any necessary edits, and then click Submit Completion. Now it's Robert's turn. As the reviewer, he'll check the completed annotations and either approve them or request changes if something needs correction. And that's it. You've successfully set up and run a project in Generative AI Lab, complete with model-powered pre-annotations and a full review workflow. Thanks for watching.